Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to make money by offering typing jobs. If you're looking for a flexible way to earn money from home, offering typing services on Fiverr can be a great option. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to get started and how to build a successful freelance business on the platform. So let's get started. Step 1. Create a Fiverr account. The first step to making money on Fiverr is to create an account. Sign up with your email address and set up a profile that includes your skills, experience, and pricing. Step 2. Determine your typing services. Decide on the typing services you will offer on Fiverr. This could include data entry, transcription, virtual assistant services, or any other type of typing work you are skilled at. Step 3. Set your prices. Determine how much you will charge for your typing services. Fiverr allows you to set a base price for your services, and you can also offer additional services for an extra fee, such as expedited delivery or additional revisions. Step 4. Create your gig. To create a gig on Fiverr for typing jobs, click on the Create a Gig button on your dashboard. Follow the instructions to create a gig that outlines your typing services, pricing, and delivery time. Be sure to include any details about your typing speed, accuracy, and experience to attract potential clients. Step 5. Optimize your gig. To increase your chances of getting orders on Fiverr for typing jobs, optimize your gig by including keywords that potential clients might search for. Use descriptive titles, detailed descriptions, and high-quality images to showcase your typing skills. Step 6. Promote your gig. To attract clients on Fiverr for typing jobs, promote your gig on social media, blogs, and other online platforms. You can also use Fiverr's Promoted Gigs feature to increase visibility. Step 7. Deliver high-quality typing work. Once you receive an order on Fiverr, deliver high-quality typing work that meets the client's expectations. Communicate with the client throughout the process and deliver the work on time. Use tools like spell check and grammar check to ensure accuracy. Step 8. Build your reputation. As you complete typing jobs on Fiverr, build your reputation by receiving positive reviews from clients. This will help you attract more clients and increase your earning potential as a freelance typist on the platform. So there you have it. That's how to make money on Fiverr by offering typing jobs. Remember that success on Fiverr takes time and effort, but with the right skills and dedication, you can build a successful freelance business on the platform. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.